Right, in these next few problems, it's very similar to the first set of problems that we did in this exercise set, where we were solving from 0 to 2 pi. Just they gave us an f of x, and then they came back and told us what f of x equals, and they didn't write it like an equation to start off with. But what we get is that when we replace f of x with 0, it's just that our equation looks backwards of what we're used to. So we can rewrite it like that. And we can still solve for theta. And we're solving between 0 and 2 pi again. So whereas cosine equal to 1, it's at theta is equal to 0. And that's it. Now f of x is going to be equal to 5 cosecant of theta minus 2. And we want to set that equal to 3. So 5 cosecant of theta is equal to 5, which makes cosecant of theta equal to 1, which makes sine of theta equal to 1. And that only happens at pi over 2. And for this last one, f of x equals 2 cosine of theta plus 1. We're going to set that equal to 0. 2 cosine of theta equals negative 1. Cosine of theta equals negative 1/2. That's going to be in quadrants 2 and 3. So we're talking about pi over 3 above and below the x-axis is 2 pi over 3 and 4 pi over 3. That's it for this little section where they gave you the left-hand side of the equation and the right-hand side of the equation separate from one another. So really not that different from what we did in the first section where it was all written out as a single equation, but just see that you can take the two functions and set them equal to each other and solve like that. All right, we'll come back and solve the trigonometric equations that are in quadratic form using u substitution in our next video.